to the vlog, guys. I'm your host, VeggieTube, and not much going on so far. All I have right now is the little Lila. We have the little Lila. We have the Lila. Hi, Lila. Lila, what do you have to say about yourself? Tell us. Tell us your secret, Lila. What is your secret? What is your confession? What do you have to say about yourself, huh? 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 Tell us. Tell us now. She doesn't wanna tell us. That's a problem. You should tell us. What's your confession, ma'am? The dog don't want to talk. Moving on. I need to light this place up for the camera. Camera seems about to get lit. Get it? Because I just turned on the lights. It's getting lit up in here.
It's getting lit.
Let's talk to the cat.
No,
Cat, what do you have to say about yourself?
show the vlog my dance. Ready?
Oh dear. Let's zoom in on her face. She's on the vlog. I'll zoom out. She's creepy. Onward.
Wait, no, it's
This
almost
dumb
done.
cat.
No, it's almost done. Ready? And then you gotta go. And then you go.
This girl is very creepy.
You're getting too close to your face.
Pumpkin, what is the confession?
Excuse me, I'm not a girl. I'm a guy.
Pumpkin, tell us your confession. What is your confession? Tell us your confession. Tell us your confession, Pumpkin. I'm sorry. You have to tell us.
Wouldn't you like confess your confession, not tell us?
Whatever. Tell us. Hello? I'm still zoomed in a little. Tell us, Miss Kitty. Rah! She doesn't want to tell us. Onward. It's been a rainy day. I went to school this morning around 10:31. We lost power at school. And then it came back on like 5 seconds later. Not because of generators. It was very lightning and downpouring, guys, and it was downpouring. Let's get a better view. If I can open this. Better view. Yeah, see. It's all wet. It's all wet. Zoom in over there. It's all wet. You can see that, right? Come on. Tell me. Kitty! That's your confession. She has no confession. Shut up, Autumn!
No.
Sorry, I had to make her shut up. We're good now. Back to the setup. My thing right here, it clips into place. So I just have to undo this. And then there's a piece on the bottom of my camera that just comes off, like so. So I can just use my camera quickly, in case I need it. And then our cord on this tripod goes up very high. Oh, like, I don't know about you. I love my setup. I will do gaming videos, but it's up to you guys. I'll buy a carton of eggs and throw it at me, Austin Hayden. We'll all throw it at each other. Back to the stand. Okay, we're back on the stand. We're going on the stand, okay. Tell us something. What do you have to say? Nothing. Wow. That was heartbreaking. I can't go one day without my Cumbies coffee. Coffee.
What did I make?
Coffee's good. Cumbies coffee. I'm 3.2 zoomed in your face. I'm really zoomed into your face. I'm 6.0 inside your face. Uh-oh, we have a visitor. Come on. Who are you? Set it up. Point it at the kitty. I got her, guys. I got the little kitty.
Is that it's productive. You can catch
Nothing much. Oh dear. Let's watch some TV.
As Captain Bob Boy navigates, Deckhand Darrell works the jerk line.
Watching some TV. You know what would help if I set the tripod up? That would help so much, so let me do it quickly. Oh, damn my foot. Let's set it up. Yeah, we're gonna be watching some TV now.
Oh yeah, look at that. There's fish jumping out of the water.
There we go. We got two. Come on, boys and girls.
There's birds on the water. There's 3-4 pound sport fish of some kind jumping.
Oh, wow, there you go. We got two on now.
Now the fun part, reel them in. Oh yeah, always funny. Laugh at the white guy in the
Onward. We're good? Yeah, we're back to normal. That's a little bit of TV. It's not working.
Has anyone seen Archie yet?
Yeah, she's done her house. Like usual.
Why don't you know she has that? Come on, cat. Over here.
Not much going on, guys. Let's say goodbye to Lila. Say hello, Lila. That's it for this vlog. Hope you had a good one, guys. And, well, got another view. Another view. This is my bedroom. Oh, and this is what I added on. Laptop. I told you that I didn't have it one day. Or, no, I didn't. I never uploaded like a day. I was supposed to upload 2 vlogs, but I never did. Sorry about that, but I'm gonna try to get a better camera, guys. I'm sorry. Gonna try to get a Canon G7X. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but we'll try. Hope you like this video. BenjiTube out. Peace out. Bye.